All right, so for number 4, let's say we have 3 cards are shown, and 2 of those cards are red. So let's go ahead and color 2 of these as red. And you have 2 cards in your hand, and both are red. And we win the game if we get 5 red cards. So in Texas Hold'em, you draw out 5 cards. So that means that there will be 2 more cards played that we have not seen yet. So what will those cards look like? That's kind of what we're trying to figure out here. So how many cards are left in the deck? So we started with 52. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So I have 47 cards left. So we started with 52 minus 3 that were played minus 2 that are in our hands is 47. How many red cards are left? Well, we start with 26 red cards. And as we can see, there are 4 on the table, or 2 in our hands and 2 on the table. So we should have 22 left. What is the probability that the next card drawn is red? So we're just drawing from this pile of 47, and we're interested in those 22 cards, so we do 22 over 47. Okay, what is the probability that you get a red and a red again? So that would be 22 over 47 for the first one. But now I've drawn, for the second card, I've already drawn 1 red card, which means that the total number of red cards is going to be 21. And for the total number of cards, I've got 47, but I draw 1, which was the red card, and so I've only got 46 left. So that means that my next number needs to be 21 over 46. That's going to be our answer for the AND. Now the OR, remember the AND equation was the probability of X times the probability of Y. So the probability of a red being drawn times the probability of a red being drawn. For OR, we need to do the probability of a red being drawn plus the probability of a red being drawn minus the probability that both cards are red, because that's the one scenario in which these numbers wouldn't totally make sense. So X and Y. So the probability that my first card is red is 22 out of 47. The probability that my second card is red is 22 out of 46. And then because I counted, this 22 stayed the same, which means that I thought I don't draw a red card. So then we have to subtract the probability that we do draw both of them as red cards, which we will have found down here. So let's then plug in all of this answer into here. And you don't have to solve this. If you just set it up, I'm happy with that. And should you double down, I would say if your probability is greater than 0.5, then yes, you should double down. If it's less than or equal to 0.5, then no, you should not double down. But that's how I would look at this. If you have different answers for that, that's fine, as long as you tell me why you chose to do that answer.